ka jing rakhe ya ka wall tv de ya ka bala rakhe ha kaleng kiri jong ko prathei la penlong ru ya kane ka jing rakhe ha jala meghalaya bat kumju ru hari bhoi district ha ka ar phusau tarik ubnail ber arjar ar phuar bat kum kadak jong ka jing pani ya ka jing le persya ya kane ka jing pang ka bala long kum ka khlam ha ki por ki wa kham manswa bat menta da ka jing tristom jong ki nong trei ka tanat ka koj ka khya lala ban penduna bat lala ru ban sumar bat penkoj ya ki bri ki bayo ya kane ka jing pang bat kalong ru namar bagi pajba kila sothu ya rukom kumno ban sumar ya kane ka jingpang ki babun kila yo ya ka jingkoj no kum ka dak jong jing burom ya kane ka jingjom nagaliang jong ka tanat ka koj ka khya kala la ru banai da ki khusnam jing pansa jing ken mau ya ki nong trei ki ba khmat jong ka tanat ka koj ka khya ki ba pek kerpang ya ka jing sumar ya kane ka jingpang sya ki pajba ki ba yo ya kane ka jingpang tv hagane ka sngi jong jing rakhe ya ka wall tv de lawan ruban saki da kinong mikmat pajba ka than ki bakan thup na du mla uba emerald bonds im nangta umdc uba balajit rani nangta deputy commissioner ka ribhoi district u arpit upadhai I dr ms imli ibadai dmho I dr e kalwing ibadai district tb officer I dr tairing rang sangma ibadai motc nongpo nangta ki khna school ki nong tre asya bat aganwadi nangta la yoro ya ki drama langkot na ka hon jong ki celau dotir.
Nih, kambang di rumah nih. Oh, di atap di rumah nih, Roy. Oh, soalnya kita jauh di rumah. Oh, nih. Kono memang judi remaja roh sama berdiri. Ah, judi ya kita kata sudah kain tu kan. Nih. Ah, ni roh kita main ngamong cuma. Yuk, ni pada sepakat ya. Ya, nih. Dokter, angkat bro. Wasit mah. Wasit, rasa mah. Oh, nama mereka mau tidur wasit yang parah. Balik nak keliah balik semua kata jorok. Aduh benar. Oh, tak lagi ngomong. Lagi wih. Oh.
Dia bisa pangsedam lagi mana?
Sedap. Pak, nih, nalu pasal kalau buat musim. Nih.
Pikir balik cuma.
Pikir ini.
Dia bisa Prisnamnya mana?
Prisnam. Tim dokter ngakai bang kue itu Prisnam ni beri kue itu.
Dia ada simptom juga dia bisa apa? Kita kamar tes TV.
Apa tes TV? Apa sih doa film tes TV? Kat TV mana orang kue ini?
TV kan TV.
Dah TV. Kat TV. Dia itu maksud yang ada dah TV kalau belakang white kan. Mentara TV kalau ada dia tu kan tu. Pakai film kan asli. Dia tu.
Ya bi apa kun? Kali tu kan Jepang TV dah Jepang TV.
Malah titip atau apa maksud kuno ni TV dia mentara alut kalau apa naik video pek sore. Ada banyak kan bola putrai gol Messi tak alut kan.
Kali tu kan Jepang TV dah kan tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis. Baik tak.
Tahu ni yang nak menstui tim mereka di Jepang tuberculosis mah. Temu sekali guna. Ya join tu vaksin BCG muncul.
BCG nanti berarti tambah kiki. Ni tim ramah.
Tapi mau banyak BCG vaksin kan? Tadi pas jadi mana tu muncul apa?
Entah.
Apa pada iPad dah. Kalau kamu ni bawa di tes mah. Jadi kalau simptom nama kan juga jujur kau jompi. Aduh. Kalau ada nanti tu.
Alatio.
Kalau kamu tes di kalau saya jom kena Jepang. Proses mah.
Di kasar.
Kasar. Saya pi. Mama.
Sim dawai lang dunia rugi tu ni.
Oh, akan tu. Oh, tu kan prescription yang dah jompi alut dekat di kunci hi tanpa. Kim tak kita kamar di tes. Kim. Bila boleh kan hospital ni aja.
Ah.
Kena hospital juni yang ni.
Ah.
Nomor kemudian ni ai semar kafri dong shadow.
Free. Oh, dah. Ini terakhir nanti.
Bila boleh nanti si kita ni dispensary. Ya ai nak tanya ai free nak tak tiba.
Biar ni.
One test nak tak.
Beda ai bisa terakhir. Ngam terakhir. Mata terakhir. Yo cuma. Ya me. Tam tes kata tiba.
Bila test saya ke le kontak.
Taya, le no kami tes nak. Seorang ni boleh. Tak. Kau boleh sebut kau boleh sebut apa?
On record, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the doctors, the nurses, paramedical staff, technicians who have worked tirelessly during the fight with COVID-19 that we have been through in the last more than 2 years. Kadang-kadang semua orang yang ginong tray jong health department kibala no senyang sibun hakinik asnem kibala le bania kun nagabanta kun ni kaklam COVID kan kena. It was a nightmare to each and every one of us when the first lockdown was announced in March 2020. Everyone was desperate. Everyone was wondering what is going to happen. In my journey of my 42 years of my age, I haven't experienced such kind of hardship and difficulties that we have been through. Still, God has been kind that we have this opportunity again to gather like this, to remember this beautiful day. Even though it sounds odd, I am saying beautiful day. Today is the World Tuberculosis Day. But in each and every household, those who have been experienced this disease, they have been through a difficult time. They have faced many stigmatization, but they have overcome. And a person like Mr. Lasting Makri, who have overcome this disease, it is an example for each and every one of us that we should not be afraid, because God has been kind. He has created many scientists, doctors, physicians to find out ways and means and solutions to cure many diseases in this world.
Ini dari distrik kebawah Jumat Shibun ki Jepang, haki Snem ki Balalek No. Hakaba Niyogi, ya kejing Shalom Chok jom ki Jepang ki Bopher, ngangkan mau nato ki Snem ki Badang Rek, ngangalati wei unompang malaria. Haka jingin kejonga, hakaba ya kasnam kejonga lahaban kujili. Kapur kebangan dan song kelas 6-7 lahaban bujili itu khamat kila yong kiswi do kila long ngalade uba namdun jikermen ke jingin bujungan but ni ya ketuka khlam ganeka kolera ki por ki bagi dangre ni kan mau ba ki nurse ki doktor ki wan haman lagi sno ban ai ki tika na ka banta banera kale prosi kala de to wei ke jimpang kabala kata wat haka imlang kasalam haka jinga dei shiying shisem kabala wanra ya ke jinga jingai ukhun bagi kimi ki pabat uta terse kani ke jimpang kala kata shikade e haka long briu man briu jungi haka ne ka dong pakat han ki jungi anrei aimu yo blei wat la kita ke jimpang ki bophe ki bala den shop ya kani ka tembe hoi ni jungi ublei usyam lai no yani ula ai hangi ya ki nongtre apo ka health department ki bala shim ya gajing klik bat ki bala len ladi anut masmo banom hagata kentin ki bala len ladi
it becomes more important for us to create awareness, to demystify the doubts, to clear the myths regarding tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is treatable preventable disease, and with the support of the medical facilities and the community, it can be eliminated. Therefore, the role of community becomes more important when it comes to TB, elimination of TB. I would like to bring to the notice of the audience that early detection of TB cases is a very important pillar for elimination of TB. And in the past year, through the help of our ASHA workers, the ground staff, we have been able to identify 10 such cases. And along with that, this identification of early cases, early detection of 10 cases, we have prevented a lot of cases to spread further. So this is a very great achievement, and especially for our ASHA workers, we would like to continue. We would like to extend all the support we can to you. You are the backbone, you are the first point of contact of healthcare services, and it is with your effort only that we have been able to identify the cases. You are the linchpin